Good morning everyone, my name is Jedarle Bautista from section NJ282, and in this video I will show you different linking devices, wired and wireless communication media. Network linking devices. Number 1, switches. A switch is a device that connects a computer to the network. A switch is a full duplex device, meaning data transmitted back and forth at the same time, which improves the performance of the network. Network switch, it includes a firewall that prevents hacker from invading your system by hiding your computer's real network addresses from the external world. There are 3 types of switches. First is the circuit switch. It establishes a single and direct data route. Number 2 is message switch. It stores data, forwarding the information when possible. Number 3 is the packet switch. It combines circuit and message switch, dividing long messages into smaller ones called the package. Number 2 is the bridge. Number 2 switch is the bridge. A bridge is an interface used to connect the same type of network or to segment at the same local area network, or LAN in short, that use the same protocol, such as Eternal or Token Ring. For instance, similar LANs can be joined together to create larger area network. Number 3 is the gateways. A gateway is an interface for meeting communication between dissimilar network. For instance, between LAN and WAN, or between 2 LANs based on different network operating system or different layouts. Gateway can be hardware, software, or the combination of 2. Because a network gateway by definition appears at the edge of a network, related capabilities like firewall tend to be integrated with it. Number 4 is the router. A router are physical devices that join multiple wire and wireless network. A router has a specific software and hardware designed for the routing and forwarding of information. What this means is router are specialized devices for transmitting data. Number 5 is the backbone. The backbone consists of the main highway, including gateways, router, and other communication equipment that connects all computer network in an organization. People frequently talk about the internet backbone, the central structure that connects all other elements of the internet. There are 3 basic types of wired communication media. The first one is the twisted fair wire, the telephone line that runs from the house to the pole outside or underground. It probably twisted fair wire. Twisted fair wire consists of 2 strands of insulated copper wire twisted around each other. This twisted fair configuration somewhat reduces interference from electrical field. There are types of twisted fair cables. The first one is the unshielded twisted fair or UTP cable. Most popular network media. It has a special coating that shrink in high fire temperature, eliminating toxic fumes emission. Number 2 is the shielded twisted fair or STP cable. It is a twisted plastic coated shield wrapped copper wire. It has an aluminum or polyester shielded surrounding individual wires. Shielding allows STP to reduce or eliminate interference. Number 2 type of wires, the coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is commonly called coax. Is a high frequency transmission cable that consists of insulated copper wire wrapped in a solid or bladed metal shield and then in an external plastic cover. Number 3 is the fiber optic cable. A fiber optic cable consists of dozens of hundreds of thin strands of glass or plastic that transmit pulsating beams of light rather than electricity. These strands, each as thin as a human hair, can transmit up to about 2 million pulse per second. And that's the last type of wire. There are five types of wireless communication media. The first one is the infrared transmission. Infrared wireless transmission sends data signal using infrared lights at same frequency to low 1 to 16 megabit per second for human eyes to receive and interpret. Number 2 is the broadcast radio. When you tune in to an AM or FM radio station, you are using broadcast radio, a wireless transmission medium that sends data over distance at up to 2 megabits per second between regions, states, and countries. The number 3 is the cellular radio. Cellular radio. Actually, a form of a broadcast radio. Cellular radio is widely used for cellular phones and wireless modems using high-frequency radio waves to transmit voice and digital messages. Number 4 is the microwave radio. Microwave radio transmit voice and data at 45 megabits per second through atmosphere as super high-frequency radio waves called microwaves, which vibrate 2.4 gigahertz or 24 billion hertz per second or higher. And lastly is the communication satellite. To avoid some of the limitation of microwave earth station, communication companies have added microwave sky station communication satellite. Communication satellites are microwave relay station in orbit ground of the earth. Transmitting signal from ground station to a satellite is called uplinking. The reverse is called downlinking. The delivery process will be slowed if, as often the case, more than one satellite is required to get messages delivered. Satellite costs from $300 million to $700 million each. A satellite launch costs between $50 million and $400 million. Communication satellites are the basis global positioning system or GPS. Satellite system may occupy one of three zones in space: the GEO, the MEO, and the LEO. And that's all, and I thank you. Thank you.